everybody. I'm so excited to try to do this Facebook Live through Facebook. It's something new. I haven't done it in a long time using my computer, so hopefully this works. Hi, everybody. I am so excited to come and share with you the Pursue convention kit that came in. So I just got this one the other day and it came in and I have yet to unbox it. So I want to show you what's in it. I'm going to tell you a little bit about how you can use each of the products and also show you some of the exclusive wellness kits like the Relief Kit, the Mood and Mind, and the Immunity Kit that are going to be available starting October 1st that you can do through the LRP program, where you have 3 months and they send you products specifically for that target wellness that you want to have, and then they tell you how to use them. So really kind of a cool system that they have. So let's dive in, let's open it up and see what is in here. All right, so let's get this one out first. Okay, this is what your Pursue kit will look like. Looks like this. Oh, sorry, I'm trying to see what my camera is. So it's going to come in a box like this. See, I haven't even opened it up yet, but super excited to share it with you guys. All right, so once you open it up, here are some of the amazing products you're going to find. All right, we have the On Guard toothpaste, which has been reformulated. They've taken the Carrigan and it was something else out of it. So this is the On Guard oil and the toothpaste. But what's great about this, not only is it a natural whitening toothpaste, it also helps with remineralizing your teeth. So I don't know about you, but I would love to, strengthen my teeth and remineralize it. So this is great. This is available October 1st outside of the kit. So you'll be able to do that then. All right. So next we have the On Guard wipes. I just did a Tuesday tip on my business page, on my Instagram, all about these On Guard wipes. This comes in a box of 20 individual, or they'll have a pack of 50, which kind of looks like those baby wipes. You just have a big container where you can take one out. But this is amazing. I just went on the airlines. I just flew for the first time since COVID started, and I wiped down everything when I sat down in my airplane, the handrails, the seat belts, the seats, the trays, the air thing on the top, everything I was touching, I wiped with that. So this is a great product. Again, October 1st, On Guard wipes are coming back. So you're going to love this. It's going to be handy, a must-have for everybody this time of year, right? All right, we have the bath bar with the balance oil in it. So this smells amazing, you guys. I had one already opened up and upstairs, and I know my daughter, Olivia, she cannot wait to use it for herself. So this has the balance bar, so it's going to be very, very soothing. It's kind of a black soap for it. Really, yeah, if you like balance is great for the stress and mood and keeping you just kind of nice and steady. This is going to be a great addition. So this one also is available. You can buy this in the 3-pack as well as single, but you can get this in the convention kit as well. Okay. All right. So let's see what else we have in here. All right. We have the Helichrysum Touch. We talked about Helichrysum Touch last week on my Tuesday tip on my my business page and my Instagram. And my YouTube, we actually did talk about all the way great things that you can use Helichrysum Touch. I think everybody needs this in their arsenal. Anytime that someone gets a cut or bloody noses, it's a big mess. It works wonders. My daughter got hit with a baseball bat one time, and we put a little bit of Helichrysum on a wet washcloth, and it stopped the bleeding enough so we can kind of help her out. So this is great. You can get this in the convention kit, or October 1st, you'll be able to order this separately and get it a lot cheaper than buying the full 5 ml of that one. So this one allows you to get it in and put it in your first aid kits, all that kind of good stuff. All right, let's see what else is in this kit. All right, these ones are, looks like bergamot mint. So let's talk a little bit about what bergamot mint is. It is not the bergamot that we know of. That's the citrus oil. This actually comes from a flowering perennial herb. Okay. So, but it's going to be very similar to lavender with the major constituents of linalool and linalool acetate, which means basically that's going to help with occasional restlessness. It's going to be very calming. So this is a great one you could diffuse at night after a massage or a workout. You can massage this in. It's going to be very lavender-like with a little bit of mint to it. It's going to be great for the warm bath. Really good. It will clear the air of unpleasant odors. So this is something I'm going to start using since we've got a dog. You also can use this as a surface cleaner. So this is going to be great. It blends really well with things like the citrus oils like basil or citrus oils. So that's like your lemon, your lime, basil, geranium, of course, lavender, rose, and ylang ylang. So this one goes. So this one will be, this is an LTO. So the only way that you can get bergamot mint is through this convention kit. But this is definitely going to be a must-have in my family. I'm going to start diffusing this. I forgot this is great for cleaning the air. We need that right now. My whole house smells like a dog. All right. Let's see. Let's talk about another LTO that is available, and this is Tulsi, often referred to as holy basil. Trying to get my notes here because I'm learning this as well as you guys are. But this one actually is distilled from small green, like a bushy shrub. And it has like lavender hued flowers on it, but it's actually a member of the mint family. And it has a history with Indian practices for natural conditions for a lot of things like soothing. Let's see. Very calming. It's great for your teeth, so you can gargle with this one. It's obviously very cleansing to the skin, so you can add it to your facial cleanser or unscented lotion and target those areas that need some calming and relief. But it is great. So healthy skin, oral hygiene, and very calming. So that's what you got to remember about this one. This is called the Queen of Herbs. So it kind of, they said the aroma resembles a cross between basil and clove. So kind of a cool thing. This is an LTO that you can get in the convention kit. Okay. All right, let's see what else is in here. All right, the last LTO is, this is called Davia. So this one actually, they said, is going to smell different on everybody. Okay. But this is comes from a plant that's a relative of the sunflower or the daisy. So it does smell very florally. For me, I think it smells fruity, but it comes from that kind of plant. Let's see. This plant's often grown in home gardens of India, and it's really good at attracting many species and butterflies. Okay, so what this is known for really is it's a beautiful scent, but it smells different on everybody. So this is going to be very soothing. It's going to be great fragrant. It's great for healthy skin as well. So this is really fun to just try it on yourself, see how you like it, as well as everybody around you. Have them try it because it's going to smell different on everybody. So this is another LTO. That means limited time offer. It's only available in that convention kit. All right, the last thing that's in my kit is the Mind Mood Kit 1. So I want to go over really quickly all 3 kits that are going to be available starting October 30th. So if you get the convention kit, this one already comes in with just kind of a sampler, so you can see what month 1 looks like. But October 1st, that's when you can add this to your cart, and you'll start with month 1. And then month 2, month 3, they'll give you different products per whatever kit is in your cart. So if you want to focus on stress levels and anxiousness and you're focusing your mood and your mind, you're going to want this one. If you want to focus on pain relief, then you're going to get the relief kit in your LRTP. And then if you want to focus on immunity, which I don't know anybody who doesn't want to focus on that right now, right? What products can support my family and keep them healthy? you're going to do the immunity one. So let me show you what's in each one of them so you kind of get an idea of what you're going to get on month 1. So this is great because there's actually a little card in the inside of this. I'm going to just open this up really quick so you can kind of see. But the card is really kind of interactive, you guys. It's going to tell you what's in the kit, how to use them. And then there's also a QR code right here that you'll be able to scan, and it's going to give you a lot of more information. It's also going to guide you to some videos about how to help your mood and your mind in that. So this is the first one that you're going to get. The first one comes with your convention kit so you can play around with it. But it comes with this nice little bag, this blue bag that you can reuse. All right, let's see. What else do we have here in here? Sorry, my screen kind of went crazy. All right, so you have your adaptive soft gels. This is great. The longer I take this, the more calm I get. I'm able to deal with all the daily stressors that come my way. I'm not so edgy. So this is a great, you get a 1 month supply on that. You get a little tiny, look at this travel size balanced deodorant. It's a natural deodorant that you can try. You also get the adaptive roller, so you can apply this throughout the day when stresses arrive. You can alternate it also with balance. Balance is also really good for sleep, and so it's another calming oil. It's more woodsy than the floral, serenity, or lavender that we often use for sleep. But this is going to be great. It's very grounding and centering. Especially when you're really stressed and you're worried, your kind of thoughts are everywhere. So this is definitely going to help tone it down and help you get there. So this is going to be in this first month that you do the Mood and Mind kit. All right, so like I said, that goes in the Pursue kit. I did want to show you the other 2 kits that you can add to your LRP. This one right here is the Relief Kit. I'm really excited about this because I really like the blue, the dark blue case. That is going to be reusable. You can use this for pencils, crayons, your oil cases, all that kind of stuff. But you're going to get an opportunity to use that. So you're going to get a deep blue roller. Okay. This is all about pain management. You're also going to get some deep blue rub packets. In this one, you're going to get a chance to try out the deep blue polyphenols, which I have had a lot of success when it comes to aches and pains, particularly headaches. This one works really well for me. And then you'll actually have this massage ball. Okay, this is kind of cool. What I was told that we get to do with this is you're going to apply the essential oil to your muscles, you know. Let me get this out here. All right, so you get to apply this to your muscles right here, and then you just roll it in like this, and it's going to massage the muscle. It's going to drive the oils in, and it actually feels really relaxing this way. But it's a nice deep blue rubber ball to help you with pain relief. So this gets you kick-started. Like I said, the outside has a QR code and information on the package on how to use it. And this is just an example of what you're going to get the very first month when you are on the relief program. Okay. And then this is a really cool one. This is the immunity. This is the one I think that everybody should be on next month, starting October 1st. If keeping healthy is a priority in your family, then you're going to want to get products that are going to support that. So the hero product in this one is the On Guard, but it's going to come in a box like this because you are going to get something very awesome in here. So hold on. So this one again has a QR code that you can scan right here and get some video on how to use the products inside the case. But as you open up the case of the Muni, it's going to look like this in here. And you're going to get the On Guard concentrate and a pump. My tip with this one is I only fill this up about a third of the way, and the rest of it I put water on because it's a concentrate. I don't fill the whole thing up. And that way I have several uses on this. Otherwise, I'd have like 2 uses of this, and I want to maximize it. So that's what I'm going to do. So you're going to wash your hands with the Power On Guard. That's going to be super helpful in it. And then again, this one comes with the case. So you can, for the first month, so you can reuse this orange case. We're Broncos fans, so this is a great color for us. But let's go over what you're going to get in the immunity kit. So you're going to get to try the On Guard toothpaste. These are the samples or the travel packs. So it's a great way for you to be able to have that and try that out, the new toothpaste. You're actually going to have the cinnamon dental floss. You can't get this anywhere else, guys. Some of this is only through these kits. So On Guard dental floss with the cinnamon in there. Of course, you're going to get a bottle of On Guard because that's our hero product. Purify. Now, this one I just used on a little lava rocks that were in, I did it in my laundry today, and then I also did it in my underwear drawer. You know, sometimes it can be musky in the drawers and stuff like that. I put a few drops of Purify. This is my go-to for anything stinky. Outside of the bergamot mint, this is a good choice to use, okay? Diffuse it also is a great one. Wild orange is a great immunity oil. You can drink this in your water as long as it's in a glass cup, or you can diffuse it, clean up the air, and make that all nice and fresh. And lastly, the last product you get with your immunity kit is the On Guard sanitizing mist, which we use all the time in our household. We're spraying our hands down, our masks before and after we wear them. This is a must for everybody. So I just wanted to showcase what you can get. There are some diffusers that are currently available still. They're almost sold out of the Rome diffuser and the Lavia diffuser. These are great little diffusers. I'm trying to look at my notes here about those ones, but those ones are, you can add them to your kit, your convention kit, and you get a discount kind of with adding that there. Those are going to be permanent products like the Dawn humidifier, but right now they're sold out of the inventory, so it's just like the Pilot. When they get more in, they'll put that back up, so you'll have an opportunity to be able to get one of the new diffusers if you wish later on. But the Dawn sold out, but the other two, the Rome and the Lavidia, those ones are still available right now. So the only way you can get those right now is you buy the Pursue kit with all of the new products plus the 3 LTO products for $165, and then you can add those to your shopping cart with that. If you want to get LRP points, then get your kit. You're going to do it as a standard order, and then do at least 50 on your LRP template. And then you'll get your points from your convention kit. They just can't run it through the LRP program because of the fact that it's a convention item and it's an exclusive product that they're doing. So just note that you have to kind of still do a 50, which is a minimum requirement to get points, earn points that month. And then you'll also get points for your convention kit. So if you have any questions about the stuff that we talked about, if you want to hear about how I'm using the new products, just let me know. But I just thought I would hop on and highlight this amazing kit. Right now, we're about 50% sold out. Typically, before we even leave convention, we're sold out of the convention kits. So they must have really planned a lot of extra kits for you guys to be able to have these. This gives you the biggest savings because you get it bundled up and you get to try them all out before they roll out October 1st. So I thought I would give you a chance to see what's there, invite you guys to participate, get your newest products, play them out, play with them, get used to them, and look for more education as we go along in the next month or two about all the products that are in these kits. So with that, I will talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for joining me live. Take care, my friends.